Parks there are in Ferndale. Okay, there's Pioneer Park, there's Vanderyacht Park, Star Park, Centennial Riverwalk Park. If you are a first-time home buyer, if you are a downsizing buyer, if you are someone that has a growing family, you might need to take a look at this new listing of mine. We're here in Ferndale. We are minutes from a lot of these parks, a short bike ride or car ride. Boy, you guys are gonna have to take a look here. They've updated the roof, the siding's been painted, the kitchen's been updated, the flooring's been updated, doors, trim. This house is perfect for a lot of people, so why don't you guys, come on, let's take a look.